Hey everyone, I'm back for the second part of this video, so I'll try to make it quick as possible. Where we left off is that I was telling you I was trying to cover this area up. Whoops, I just forgot I have a touch screen. Trying to cover this area up right here because I didn't like the little scrolling thing here. Because what I want to do is I want to create these little things here that will basically attach. There'll be 10 days. So one number for each of these little things, and I'm gonna put it in a 8x10 frame with no glass, and then I'm going to do like a little, pretty much like a little hook, and I'll be able to hook on these little things for each day as it gets closer to Halloween. So I thought that that would be something that I would actually use, and it would be useful, and you know, we love Halloween in this house and celebrating, and so I thought that it would be something that would be really neat and fun. So there's only a couple of changes that I made. Instead of the happy, it says days till. I did the same thing, and I'll show you. I basically just went over here to shapes, picked the shape that I wanted, and you can, this little image here is like a lock. You can unlock that, and then the circle can go from oval to however you want. So you can actually fit it to that area to cover up whatever you want. Now, I don't know for sure if this works. I still haven't printed it yet, but I was just playing around with a couple of things just to see. Over here, you'll have each and every individual thing broken down. I know it looks really weird. There's little symbols. That is a print. These are cut symbols. But you can click on, see, I'm clicking on the circle, and it pulls up the colors. So orange is already a color that we're using, so it does that. However, see how that line is right there? You want to get rid of that. So what you do is it goes from being a cut to, you want it to, I think I put right. No, print. I put print, sorry. So then what that does is it makes it so that whenever you come back, see, there's nothing there. It like makes it invisible. Now I didn't do the weld on this because I still want those little cute cuts because there's a white background that's going to show through that, and I wanted to keep that. So I was trying to experiment and see what happens. I'll let you know in the next video whether or not it worked, or if we have to make some alterations in order to get the look that I'm trying to achieve. But experiment and explore and check out different things in here. It's all about trial and error. I don't want you guys to use up a ton of cardstock like I did. So I just want to tell you these little tips that may help you. Now, I did get these fonts. I thought they were really cute to add to the whole Halloween theme. Those are going to be the numbers that I'm going to have inside of the little tabs. So that font I actually got from defont.com. That's a really cool font site that you can download different types of fonts for all of your projects. Also, sgvlove.com is another website that you can get a lot of writable things. So like sayings that are already created that you just want to like move over into your file and just print it right away. That's a really good place to get those. Now, I haven't gotten into the editing the SGVs and doing all that so that it fits towards your Cricut yet. I'm not that advanced yet, so bear with me. I'm still trying to learn everything as we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set this up on my printer to get towards the next step. Do make sure, if you like this, and see how these things are overlapped here, you don't have to worry about those. It's not going to cut them on top of each other. Okay, the only time that that's going to happen is if you attach it or you weld it together, then obviously they're going to print together. This is just so that everything's on that hypothetical map, as we call it. So definitely make sure that you go there to save your project. You definitely want to save it and name it something that you're going to be able to remember. So like for mine, I have it as Happy Halloween Countdown. I know that that's a countdown calendar. I know that I can come up to pull it up in the future if I ever want to change the colors, or if I want to make one for a friend as a gift. So always make sure that you print them, or save them properly, because you don't want to have 15 other random things that have the same exact wording. You want to be specific so that you know you can find it later. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the next project and the next video. So stay tuned. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I know my videos are really amateur and I don't have a professional camera or anything like that, but maybe if I get enough likes and subscribes, maybe I'll go ahead and invest in a professional camera and give you guys some really good quality YouTube videos. So other than that, I will see you guys in the next video, and bye.